we've just bought the Ender-3 V2 Neo 3D printer. In Australia, I tell you, it's a hell of a lot different to buying it in the US. I was quite surprised when I opened the box to see how it was packaged, and got straight into it, ripping it apart. Pretty simple. Just break open the box and you'll see, like I was surprised, it comes in almost complete assembly. Took me a moment to realise this, and I was quite excited. Once I was aware of this, I went through and seen 4 steps to set up. So if you can put on a seat belt and put a coin in a vending machine, it's pretty much as easy as that. Well, it comes with the base frame package and the gantry frame, also the filament material rack and barrel assembly, and the display screen component. It also has a range of accessories like pliers, nippers, some spare parts, and a bit of spare filament and a spare nozzle. It does come with a few other things, but it's pretty quite simple to put it back together and put the 2 screws on one side and 2 screws on the other. I found it quite satisfying to sort of look at all these wires coming out of it, and it did look daunting at first, but it is really simple. This manual that they've got with you is pretty much, it says a quick start guide. It should be a simple, super quick, easy guide, because it's only 4 steps, 4 screws, and a few zip ties after you've clicked in the cables to where they belong. I think all in all it took me about 40 minutes to pull it out of the box, read the instructions and put it together. Once it was together, it was all assembled, it was about putting the filament in. We picked up some rainbow filament, as I like a bit of colour on my things and certainly enjoy the brightness of this. I tell you, it smells something unusual, really fresh. Anyway, we got straight into it. Oh, on a quick note, there's a thing called a Z-axis offset. And as you can see, there's a few scratches in mine, and it kept it about 1 mil off the top. So what you really want to do is get it down to about 0.2 of a mil. And as much as that seems really fine, that's how much the tolerance this machine works. And as you can see, once you get it set up, they turn out pretty special. Well everyone, that's the Australian unboxing, and yep, far quicker than the US versions that I've seen on YouTube, with 5 hours plus of putting together of over probably 200 pieces. Much easier. I hope you enjoyed. If you want more stuff like this, give us a like.